Hey guys, welcome to Expansion Tutorials Test Run Computer Science clarifying video. So basically in this tutorial I'm just going to explain what we learned last time, just in case if you guys need a refresher or you didn't understand it last time. Okay, so and also we're going to learn about integers and doubles, really simple topics. And also in the previous video I added tons of stuff in the description to help you and to create your strong fundamentals. If you didn't already take a look at that, take a look at that because I put some useful links in there, content and everything else. And I'll do the same for this video. I'll add some links just in case if you don't fully understand what I'm about to tell you. I'll add some links to other tutorials, other articles to help you fully clarify the topic. But I'll do my best to explain it to you. Okay, so what we learned last time is how to get started with Eclipse and create a class. Okay, so basically the class is the blueprint for all your objects, or that you're basically naming your code. So I name my code Hello World right here. Okay, and notice these brackets also. Okay, so basically as I type class space and the name of my class. Okay, so class is just a modifier. It's part of Java. It's basically tells Java that I'm about to name my class. But don't worry too much about this. Eclipse already named the class for you. All you have to do is type it in. And also remember that the class doesn't take spaces or any other fancy digits in its name. And the class name must match the file name, but once again you're using Eclipse, so you don't really need to worry much about that. And here's the main method. Okay, so basically the main method just tells me that basically I'm telling the computer by writing the main method that I'm about to give you a set of instructions, get ready. That's pretty much what it's just saying. I really recommend you to just memorize this code and just type it in right after the class. And keep note of these brackets, okay? Once you understand the syntax of Java, you'll understand it much better. And within the brackets, you see the bracket closing and bracket opening for the main method. And so within the main method brackets, we can type in the code we want, like defining or storing integers, storing doubles, or printing out a statement, anything. Okay, so that's within the brackets of the main method. So we have to add an opening bracket for the class and a closing bracket for the class. I have to add a opening bracket for the main method and a closing bracket for the main method. But for System.out.print ln, let me add an ln right here. We don't need a bracket. All we need is a semicolon. And understand how this is, like, you have to type in System.out.print ln parentheses quotes, and within the quotes you can type in anything you want, and the computer will print it. Okay, fair enough. And also I added some definitions here, so I recommend that you want to take a look at these. Okay, I'll add these to the description too, and I'll add some links also into the description to help you fully master this topic. Okay, so let's get started about integers and doubles. Okay, and this is really easy. Okay, so basically if we want to store a number in Java, we have to call an integer or a double. Okay, so basically this is what we do. We type in int. That tells Java that I'm about to give you an integer, and we have to name our integer too. So let's name it number. Okay, so and then we have to give it a value equals 5. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna explain everything. Int basically tells Java that I'm about to name my integer number. So basically to do this, you have to type in int to get Java ready to know that you're about to store an integer. Number is the name of my integer. This is how you have to do it. You have to name your integer. You can name in anything you want. You can even enter in those fancy characters, but no spaces, just like the class. And this is how you define the value of it. An int, remember that ints only take whole numbers. They don't take decimal numbers. Doubles take decimal numbers and whole numbers. So this is how we call it double. It's the same syntax. You just type in double instead of int. And let's just write YouTube. Let's name the double YouTube. And we can add even whole numbers. We can add whole numbers or decimal numbers. So, but let's look at this. If we type in the int number equals 5 part, if I enter int 5.5, I'll get an error because number equals 5.5. 5.5 is not a whole number, therefore I'll get an error. But if I type in a decimal number in the double part, I won't get an error because doubles take both integers. Sorry, I shouldn't say this. Doubles take both whole numbers and decimal numbers. Okay, so let's go over this one more time. To call an integer, you have to type in int and then put a space and name your integer, anything you want. And then after that, put a space. I mean, you don't have to put a space. Put an equal sign, and then give the value to your number, and then end it with a semicolon. Same thing for double. Put type in double to let Java know that you're about to store a double value. Name your double, put an equal sign, and give it a value. So you basically just stored these numbers into a variable. Okay. Hope this tutorial was easy enough. Check out the description I'm gonna put in the YouTube channel, and check out our website at www.expansiontutorials.webs.com. Everything will be on here. We're gonna be developed soon. So sooner we're gonna have quizzes to check your knowledge and flashcards, and we'll also have maybe a live chat also coming soon, so you can just talk to us, ask any questions you want. Okay. And in the meantime, to contact us, you can leave a comment, check out our G+ page, check out our Facebook page, or email us at expansiontutorials.webs.com. Oh, sorry. Email us at expansiontutorials@gmail.com, or you can just go to our website and contact us by just filling out a quick form. Okay. So make sure to check out the description. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll be learning about strings next video. It's really easy. Don't worry. Piece of cake, and we'll review all the stuff we learned today. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.